Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to prepare mushroom masala. First we have to marinate mushroom. So for that we need white mushroom cut in slices 120 gram. You can use any mushroom of your choice. Curd 2 teaspoon. If the curd you are using is not that thick, then you may use 1 tablespoon of curd. Half teaspoon crushed ginger garlic, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder and garam masala, 2 teaspoon roasted gram flour, 2 teaspoons of water, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. In a bowl, add curd, ginger garlic, all masalas, gram flour, 1 teaspoon oil and salt. Mix this once. Now add water and combine this well. Add mushrooms into this. Coat mushroom well with this masala and then allow it to rest for about 5 to 8 minutes. Don't keep it for longer time because mushroom will start releasing water. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon butter into this. Butter has melted nicely. Now add marinated mushroom into this. Spread and allow this to cook. You can see masala coated on mushrooms has cooked well. Now transfer this to a plate and keep it aside. Next we have to prepare masala or gravy for the mushroom. So for that we need 1 onion sliced, half tomato sliced, half teaspoon cumin seed, 7 cashew nuts, half teaspoon crushed ginger garlic, 2 green chillies, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half cup water, 2 teaspoon butter and salt for taste. Heat the same pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoon butter into this. If you don't like butter, then you may use cooking oil in the whole recipe. Butter has turned nice and hot. Now add cumin seed. Allow it to pop up. After that, add ginger garlic and green chillies. Mix and cook till it turns aromatic. Next, add onions, some salt. Stir and cook till onions turns translucent. This has turned soft. Now turn the gas flame to low and add all masalas and cashew nuts. Mix and cook this for a few seconds. Next goes in some tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Then add 1/4 cup of water and mix well. Now let's cover this and cook for about 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes now. Let's open the lid and check. Tomatoes has mashed well into this. Perfect. Now turn off the gas flame and allow this masala to cool down completely. This has come to room temperature. Now add this to a blender and grind it into a fine paste. Heat the same pan on medium flame and to that add 1 tablespoon of butter. Into that add grinded masala. Stir this occasionally and cook till it starts leaving the pan. You can see masala has cooked well. Now it's time to add half cup of water into this. Give it a mix. Next goes in our mushrooms. Coat this mushroom well with the masala. Add coriander leaves and mix. Allow it to cook till small bubbles start coming up. Perfect. Turn off the gas flame. Our mushroom masala is ready. You can serve this with chapati, naan or fulka. Thank you for watching this video.